Hi, my name is Addison Carroll. I'm from Smithville, Missouri, and I study animal science here at Northwest. Northwest gave me my start. It gave me my everything in this industry because it's given me all of these tools to push myself into any area I want to be at. You learn so much about different areas. The opportunities there and the ability to just kind of grab from anywhere and just go with that pathway and then learn more and continue growing in that profession is cool in my mind because you have the whole world in front of you more or less. I never came in as a dairy science student, but it gave me my foot in the door. It gave me the ability to say, I've done research. It gave me the ability to say, I've done well in these classes. And it gave me the ability to just go and just do and just be the best I could be.